started thinning out this area yesterday. It's a pretty good size, about 4 acres in here. We're just going through. It's logged a while back. As you can see, there's going to be some stumps and whatnot in here. We're just trying to get some good view out to the road. Get it ready to really thin out, take out some bigger trees. Just improve the property a little bit. Got the Indeco mulcher with the knives. Doing pretty good. Roughing this stuff down. Not super worried about how much mulch we leave behind. It's gonna rot. And this area won't be maintained until after it's thinned out with the trees again. So for right now, just gonna clean it out, make it easy to move through, make it easier to see what's out here, see what he wants to do next with this piece of property. We're gonna get in here and take some pictures, video this Indeco mulcher running on the Takeuchi TL12v2. See how she eats. Everybody wants to see the before and after. You know, what kind of product are we going to get when we hire a company to come in and clean out our forest like this? What you can see over here is what we started with. We're taking out some of these smaller, you know, softwoods and pines, even the larger hardwoods and the larger pines. But this is an idea of the basic growth we have. From the after pictures and the videos, we've done quite a job in here. In really a small amount of time, what these machines can do is really unbelievable. But we're going to come back tomorrow, see how we make out for today and how far we can get, and then move on to the next section. Really, this is just junk. You know, this is what chokes out a forest. This is what spreads fire. There's kind of dead trees in here and all this underbrush. This stuff is a huge fuel load for forest fire. So what we do is, by coming in, mulching it up, gives us a nice low fuel load, keeps the underbrush from resprouting quickly, makes the place look a lot nicer and a lot safer, better for the environment really. I know we're burning diesel fuel and grinding up trees, but when you think about the regrowth and the resprouting down here and how nicely these trees are going to look, it really makes sense to reduce the fire hazard and clean out the forest. A maintained forest is a happy forest and a healthy forest. So really just beautiful park-like. We're about a quarter of the way through right here. Continuing to make our way across. Operator does a good job, you know, kind of sectioning out an area, clean it up, move on. Just progress through. Some wet spots, a little mud here and there. Really coming out pretty nicely. so thick you can't even see the machine, which is probably 75 feet in front of us right now. So a recap of how the job's going up here, this thinning project we're working on. It's coming out nice, the machine's running pretty good. We're doing some training up here. It's getting ready for the mowing season of pipeline to start back up in a couple weeks. And really just trying to do our best. Vegetation management and spreading the word. Get out there, clean up your forest. It's worth it. Happy, healthy forests.